Let me try shifting it to the middle the way Gladys had it. Maybe I'll like, no. I just finished the video and I felt like it would be a good time for me to give this other wig another chance. I did not like this wig when I put it on. It just, something about the fit was not right to me and I was very frustrated, and it got thrown and it's still kind of dusty like it's thrown. So this video is going to be a review, but it's also going to be me versus synthetic. Okay, you see? She looks like I threw her. This is Outre Kimberly. I already cut off the lace because I had already attempted to review her, but it's a lace curve part, as you see there, nice long curve part. I have it in the sandstone brown color. This is the one from the Blonde Color Bomb collection. And I really wanted to like her, but I was really not feeling her. Let's see how this gonna go. I liked everybody else's reviews on her, but I just did not like it on me. I don't know if it was that day or what, but I was not feeling sis. I felt like these hairs kept getting in my face and the wig was not sitting right, and I didn't like where the parting was. I'm like, why is it over here? And it was just like, it was too many things that I don't like. I'm already still not liking it, but I'm gonna give it a chance. I'm gonna do this for y'all. I kind of like the color on this shirt. I didn't like it on my other shirt. We might have to try and put her in the middle because I saw Gladys put her in the middle and I thought that was cute. Also, I can't stand these little hairs in my face. I also don't like it's like giving me like this cone head thing going. I don't, no. It fits weird. I'm getting mad again. And it's wild to me because I loved Kimani. Like, I love that wig. And Kimberly is just not doing it for me. Or Kourtney, what's her name? Let me try shifting it to the middle the way Gladys had it. Maybe I'll like, no. I don't like that more. I just put a little freeze spray right on the front of the part because I just felt like it was sitting weird. What did I just do? This is just because it felt necessary. I'm not feeling it. I'm still not feeling it. So the tangling it's a lot. Now I will give them the benefit of the doubt because I did throw this off last time I had it on. Not that it stayed on the floor. I just didn't detangle it or anything from throwing it off. And it is synthetic. So then we'll see if it really tangles after I detangle it. If it starts tangling like this again, then I don't know. This color is cute though. I didn't like it when I was wearing black, but I like it a lot on this pink. Okay, it's starting to come together. Here's the knockout part right here. If I can get this to lay flat, then I'm going to like this a lot more than I originally did. You know, I didn't read if this took heat, but I assume she does. I've just been in a real layers mood lately. I like this a little bit better, and it sits a little bit better now that I added some layers. And I got this to lay flat. Okay, I feel so much better about this, guys. I think I won against the synthetic. Y'all let me know in the comments. So she is a bit of a tangler, but combed out. The tangling is a little more minimum than it was, you know, me trying to do it after I threw it, but it is there. I wouldn't necessarily say the cap is small, but it fits weird on like first putting it on. Like once I put some heat on it and everything, then it started to lay the way I wanted it to. But before that, I was not seeing it for this wig. I really was not seeing this for this wig. Y'all, listen, y'all better go send some shout out and some love to Gladys because she's the one that I watched that made me be like, okay, maybe I'll give this a chance. Because I mean, I thought it looked good on other people. It just did not look good on me. But I feel a lot better about it now. She's cute. I love this color. I was not feeling the color, but I think it was the shirt I had on. I like this with the neon. I did not like it with a dark colored black shirt though. So I think I like this when I'm wearing like colorful colors, but not like black. Was not feeling this in black. But maybe I would feel it more since I know how to do it now. Also, they could have brought this, like, I think they would have been better styling if they had added some long layers themselves. But you can add the long layers yourself too, obviously. I just did it. I feel like the layers just give it more movement and it sits like Without the layers, it just sat on my face and I didn't like that. With the layers, it like moves a little more. Without the layers, it just kind of like sat on my face like that. Hairs, they're still getting in my face a little bit and it's irritating, but you know, with the touches I made, it's doing really good. So I don't hate her. I thought I hated her. I don't hate her. I take it back. The cons I will still say are with this wig is the tangling. It does tangle up. It's not horrible. Now that I've had it untangled for a while, it's not horrible, but it will happen. So you want to keep your brush near. You don't necessarily have to keep it on you, but keep it near. I actually think I'm gonna go. Somebody tell me to put the scissors down. Somebody tell me to put the scissors down. Look at that. I just love layers in the front. Okay, Black Barbie. If you're interested in picking up this unit, I'll have all the details down in the description box below. This was me versus synthetic. This was a different kind of review. Let me know who you think won, me or the synthetic wig. I won, meaning that the wig does look good. The wig won, meaning that it got the best of me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.